Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
I'm Sarah. And you?
What's your name?
I'm Sarah. And you?
I'm James.
Nice to meet you, James.
I'm James.
Nice to meet you, James. Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago. Do you live around here?
Yes, just a few blocks away.
Do you live around here?
Yes, just a few blocks away. What do you do for a living?
I'm an engineer. You?
What do you do for a living?
I'm an engineer. You? Are you a student?
Yes, I study psychology.
Are you a student?
Yes, I study psychology. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, one older brother.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, one older brother. How old are you?
I'm 28. You?
How old are you?
I'm 28. You?
I'm 38.
That's cool, James.
I'm 38.
That's cool, James. Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Are you married?
No, I'm single. Do you like living here?
Yes, it's a nice place.
Do you like living here?
Yes, it's a nice place. What do you do in your free time?
I like to go hiking.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to go hiking. What's your favorite hobby?
I love painting.
What's your favorite hobby?
I love painting. Do you like pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I have a dog. What kind of music do you listen to?
Mainly pop and country.
What kind of music do you listen to?
Mainly pop and country. Do you play any instruments?
A little guitar.
Do you play any instruments?
A little guitar. Are you into sports?
I enjoy tennis sometimes.
Are you into sports?
I enjoy tennis sometimes. Do you like reading?
Yes, especially novels.
Do you like reading?
Yes, especially novels. What's your favorite movie?
Probably The Notebook.
What's your favorite movie?
Probably The Notebook. Have you traveled much?
Yes, I've been to a few countries.
Have you traveled much?
Yes, I've been to a few countries. Do you speak other languages?
A bit of Spanish.
Do you speak other languages?
A bit of Spanish. What's your dream job?
I'd love to be a writer.
What's your dream job?
I'd love to be a writer. Routine and day to day. What time do you usually wake up?
Around 7 a.m.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 7 a.m. Do you work from home?
Yes, most days.
Do you work from home?
Yes, most days. How's your day going?
Pretty good so far.
How's your day going?
Pretty good so far. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Just coffee and toast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Just coffee and toast. Do you exercise regularly?
I try to go to the gym 3 times a week.
Do you exercise regularly?
I try to go to the gym 3 times a week. What's your daily routine like?
Work, gym, dinner, and some Netflix.
What's your daily routine like?
Work, gym, dinner, and some Netflix. Do you like cooking?
Yes, especially Italian food.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, especially Italian food. What do you usually do on weekends?
I relax or meet friends.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I relax or meet friends. Do you sleep early?
Not really. I'm a night owl.
Do you sleep early?
Not really. I'm a night owl. What time do you get off work?
Around 6 p.m.
What time do you get off work?
Around 6 p.m. Do you take the bus or drive?
I usually drive.
Do you take the bus or drive?
I usually drive. Do you like working?
It's okay, but stressful sometimes.
Do you like working?
It's okay, but stressful sometimes. How do you stay organized?
I use a planner.
How do you stay organized?
I use a planner. Do you prefer mornings or nights?
Definitely nights.
Do you prefer mornings or nights?
Definitely nights. Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I can't live without it.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I can't live without it. Do you listen to music while working?
All the time.
Do you listen to music while working?
All the time. How often do you go out with friends?
Maybe once or twice a week.
How often do you go out with friends?
Maybe once or twice a week. Do you clean the house yourself?
Yes, on weekends.
Do you clean the house yourself?
Yes, on weekends. Do you enjoy staying at home?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you enjoy staying at home?
Sometimes, yes. Do you like quiet places?
Absolutely.
Do you like quiet places?
Absolutely. Food and restaurants. Are you hungry?
Yes, let's grab something to eat.
Are you hungry?
Yes, let's grab something to eat. What's your favorite restaurant?
A sushi place downtown.
What's your favorite restaurant?
A sushi place downtown. Do you like spicy food?
Not really. I prefer mild flavors.
Do you like spicy food?
Not really. I prefer mild flavors. Can you cook?
A few things, yes.
Can you cook?
A few things, yes. What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake. Do you like seafood?
Only shrimp and salmon.
Do you like seafood?
Only shrimp and salmon. Would you like to have dinner together?
Sure, I'd love to.
Would you like to have dinner together?
Sure, I'd love to. Do you eat healthy?
I try to, but I love fast food.
Do you eat healthy?
I try to, but I love fast food. Do you like trying new food?
Yes, I'm very adventurous with food.
Do you like trying new food?
Yes, I'm very adventurous with food. What did you have for lunch?
A salad and some chicken.
What did you have for lunch?
A salad and some chicken. Do you prefer sweet or salty snacks?
Sweet.
Do you prefer sweet or salty snacks?
Sweet. Do you like cooking together?
That sounds fun.
Do you like cooking together?
That sounds fun. What's your comfort food?
Mac and cheese.
What's your comfort food?
Mac and cheese. Do you eat out often?
Only on weekends.
Do you eat out often?
Only on weekends. Do you like fruit?
Yes, especially mango.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, especially mango. Do you drink soda?
Only occasionally.
Do you drink soda?
Only occasionally. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I never skip it.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I never skip it. What's your go-to drink at a cafe?
Cappuccino.
What's your go-to drink at a cafe?
Cappuccino. Do you like cooking or baking more?
Baking.
Do you like cooking or baking more?
Baking. Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, and I loved it.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, and I loved it. Travels and dreams. Do you like to travel?
I love it.
Do you like to travel?
I love it. Where was your last trip?
New York City.
Where was your last trip?
New York City. Beach or mountains?
Beach for sure.
Beach or mountains?
Beach for sure. Have you ever traveled alone?
Yes, once to Italy.
Have you ever traveled alone?
Yes, once to Italy. What's your dream destination?
Greece.
What's your dream destination?
Greece. Do you like flying?
It's not my favorite.
Do you like flying?
It's not my favorite. Have you ever been on a cruise?
No, but I want to.
Have you ever been on a cruise?
No, but I want to. What's the best place you've been?
Paris.
What's the best place you've been?
Paris. Do you take a lot of photos when you travel?
Always.
Do you take a lot of photos when you travel?
Always. Do you prefer traveling alone or with someone?
With someone.
Do you prefer traveling alone or with someone?
With someone. Do you like road trips?
Yes, they're so fun.
Do you like road trips?
Yes, they're so fun. Have you ever gotten lost in another country?
Yes, in Tokyo.
Have you ever gotten lost in another country?
Yes, in Tokyo. Do you like trying local food when you travel?
That's the best part.
Do you like trying local food when you travel?
That's the best part. Do you pack light or heavy?
I pack light.
Do you pack light or heavy?
I pack light. Do you like airports?
Not really.
Do you like airports?
Not really. What's your favorite travel memory?
Watching the sunset in Bali.
What's your favorite travel memory?
Watching the sunset in Bali. Have you ever missed a flight?
Yes, once. It was stressful.
Have you ever missed a flight?
Yes, once. It was stressful. Do you speak any foreign language?
Just a little Spanish.
Do you speak any foreign language?
Just a little Spanish. Do you like learning about new cultures?
Yes, it's fascinating.
Do you like learning about new cultures?
Yes, it's fascinating. Would you move to another country?
Maybe, if the opportunity came.
Would you move to another country?
Maybe, if the opportunity came. Personal life and relationships. Are you seeing someone?
No, I'm single.
Are you seeing someone?
No, I'm single. What do you look for in a relationship?
Honesty and kindness.
What do you look for in a relationship?
Honesty and kindness. Do you believe in love at first sight?
Maybe, it depends.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
Maybe, it depends. Do you like romantic movies?
Sometimes, when I'm in the mood.
Do you like romantic movies?
Sometimes, when I'm in the mood. Are you a morning or night person?
Night person.
Are you a morning or night person?
Night person. Do you like surprises?
Yes, when they're good.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, when they're good. Do you want to get married one day?
Yes, I want.
Do you want to get married one day?
Yes, I want. Do you want kids?
Yes, maybe two.
Do you want kids?
Yes, maybe two. How do you handle stress?
I talk to my best friend.
How do you handle stress?
I talk to my best friend. What makes you happy?
Being with people I care about.
What makes you happy?
Being with people I care about. Do you fall in love easily?
Not really.
Do you fall in love easily?
Not really. What do you value most in someone?
Loyalty.
What do you value most in someone?
Loyalty. What's your love language?
Words of affirmation.
What's your love language?
Words of affirmation. Do you believe in soulmates?
I think so.
Do you believe in soulmates?
I think so. What was your first crush like?
Funny and sweet.
What was your first crush like?
Funny and sweet. What's your idea of a perfect date?
Good food and a long walk.
What's your idea of a perfect date?
Good food and a long walk. Do you get jealous easily?
Only when I care a lot.
Do you get jealous easily?
Only when I care a lot. What's your biggest turn-off?
Dishonesty.
What's your biggest turn-off?
Dishonesty. Are you more logical or emotional?
Emotional, for sure.
Are you more logical or emotional?
Emotional, for sure. What's the most romantic thing someone's done for you?
Wrote me a song.
What's the most romantic thing someone's done for you?
Wrote me a song.